What's up, gang? Today, Kaya's coming.
You're going to find your
She's going to put my sister up. Here got the fish spinner I was talking about. My video coming now. You see this? She act like she wouldn't be in there when we already seen her. These are 3 fish spinners that work right here, but hers is Nikaya's actually, and that's why she got the pink one. And this one don't work as that much. See, it doesn't spin that much. Now let's look inside of this and see why it doesn't spin that much. It probably is the dust. You talk.
When are you gonna fix the spidget, whatever?
Girl, you can't speak. Sorry, guys. I shouldn't fix the camera. I see that. That's why ours wasn't faster. You can see on hers how much above it is, and they try to fake it and they put it around. But on ours, it's real. You can see. What? John May talk.
Okay, he's gonna talk to my sister and
She tell too much.
no, I don't. I'm gonna say it one day.
If you watching this, shout out to Mom. Cover your ears. You watching this, shout out to my girlfriend. And now I cover your ears.
What?
Nothing. Nothing. I said shout out to my girlfriend. You know, this is not my girlfriend, but she won't come. She act like she won't be in the go back.
Yes, I did cheese.
Oh, you got jokes.
Oh, yes, I do, man.
Kaya, hey, we gonna do a prank on Kaya. Be like, we lost her fish. So today we gonna do a prank on Kaya and say we lost her fish spinner. Now, Takara, now she gonna go hide it. Go hide it. And we're gonna hide. And we're gonna hide her other one.
And now she has 2 missing.
We're hiding it.
We could say we were spinning it and didn't do anything.
Okay.
Topic of
And we're going to have Jamay going to back because my friend Jamay, she don't know how to hold water. She cannot hold water for a bit. Jamay, stand where I was standing. No.
So, what we can do is say we were spinning it and flew over the fence.
Yeah, we going to say we spinning it and it flew over the fence. But and then she going to go to the people's house. You know, Kaya, she really going to go to their house.
No, we're going to see a reaction and we're going to tell her.
Okay, we're going to see her reaction. Let's go. See
okay.
We gotta put this. We have to hide this camera somewhere. Cause if Kaya see this camera on, she's gonna be aware for real. No, Kaya knows. Kaya know when I'm pranking.
But it might not see her facial reaction.
Well, this is getting back from Kaya last time.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
You gotta hold the ball. Is it good?
Yeah.
They can see everything?
Yeah. They can see the front, like. See, they can see the front.
All right. See if it's okay. It's right there. All right, we're gonna put her. We're gonna place her right in front of the thing while we're talking to her.
Come,
And she coming back with the baby.
so she getting ready to come back
we're gonna
down
place
here,
her right in front of like there.
and she's going not to see it.
We gotta act normal and be like, oops, and be like, she had 2 spinners, right?
Yeah, that's why I had
So we were gonna spin a time.
Let's
so
wait.
we
Tell
filled
her.
out
Tell her
the
like.
thing.
Tell her like.
Shut up, Jeanette. She's coming. No, we're just gonna say we were doing a fidget spinner
challenge and we put
flew him over.
both of hers on top.
Yeah, and we accidentally flew him over.
Look at her face, guys. Like, what is that? But we have to get her back for doing that bad challenge.
All right. So
we have to get it back to doing that frog challenge, y'all. Y'all remember, right?
So when we get her right here, we find out like she's good enough to be in front of them.
But go tell her.
No.
I'ma
Wait,
be
no,
like-
because
I'ma
this
tell
is.
her, you go tell her, you watch the camera. Hold on. No, tell her when she gets like right in front of here. Like from there or right here. Okay, ready?
You.
Shut up.
Exit.
Get right here.
What?
Come here.
Come here.
Yeah.
It's whoever that gave right there. Both of them.
And they broke. They fell apart.
Exactly. We can get you a new one. You just got tricked.
Where are they?
But we actually, for real, did lose one of them. We lost the pink one over the fence. That's it. And that's not even a prank. We have the green one, but we lost the pink one.
Yeah, the green one, she gonna be mad because the green one doesn't work anymore.
I want my big one.
We're playing.
No, we did lose it.
Exactly.
Kyle, we trying to do the challenge.
I'm telling you.
All right, we're playing.
I know we playing.
We're playing.
Yeah, we playing. We know where it's at.
We know where it's at. Running up the street, ain't he? Oh, Daddy.
We told him at the beginning Jamaica cannot hold water. Kaya, the camera was right here the whole time.
Oh, we got you. So tell
I thought you was just looking
tell
on
the camera
YouTube.
how we feel. Okay, Darnell, actually, where is your fidget spinner? Put it up.
The video over. It's over. Go get it together because I don't think I can go.
For real, Darnell, where is it?
What did you really pick it? For real. Dead serious. On your own.
Oh, wait, okay.
She found it. She found it right here. How is she so smart?
See? It's like gang. Y'all, peace. D plus
K.
gang. And how you feel for being pranked?
Oh, pretty awesome. I was about to go tell my mom that.
Oh, shout out to Kyra and Jamay for helping us with this video.
So the next
To
video,
Kyra,
Jamay and Kaya in the butt challenge.
What?
To Kyra and Jamay, here, come on, y'all.
Look.
See, these are the two people that helped us in the video. To Kyra and Jamay. Now,
Hold up.
peace.
Oh yeah. Peace out. You guys, come on. I got a game that we can do.
Okay, no.